Okay, well, that was kind of scary. Almost had a heart attack. Oh God. God. Scary. Almost got us. Anywho. Yeah. No flooding. Not really, really bad. It's just limbs, a bunch of leaves. Some of the trailers have the skirtings ripped off of it.
Only one.
No, a few. Look it.
You're a few.
Well, you gotta tell the people the truth.
I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna hit you.
You should go visit Debbie.
No.
Deborah.
I text her, she didn't text me back.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Really? It's pretty bad. Oh, look, your friend.
She's not
Look at the
far.
size of that tree. It's not a tree.
Look at the size of you.
I know, I'm taller than you, Mom. Soon I'll be taller than Mr. McCormick. Well, at least they're not going to cancel Halloween here.
They did over in Jersey.
Yeah, I know, because they had mass flooding and trees and everything. Trees down.
If you're going there, go.
Come on.
I'm going home, Steven.
You're coming.
I'll walk to the store and I'll go home.
Well, the gas station has power. Alrighty then. A generator, Mom? Really? I don't hear no generator going. I'm pretty sure they're fine. Mom, you're stopping and waiting. You know what? Calm down. People are getting gas. Really? Well, I'm going off the air, people. Bye-bye.